Let's be honest, travel is amazing, but it's not always smooth sailing. Flights get delayed, luggage gets lost, plans fall through, and sometimes, you just want to throw your passport in a volcano and go home. But don't worry, seasoned travelers don't get lucky, they get smart. So today, we're diving into the top travel hacks every explorer needs to know to make your next trip smoother, cheaper, and way more epic. Let's start with the golden rule. Pack light, but pack smart. You've heard this one before, but it's a game changer. Ditch the just in case items and pack with intention. Stick to versatile clothing you can mix and match, roll instead of fold to save space, and always bring a packable day bag. Need to save even more room? Compression cubes are your best friend. They keep your bag organized and magically make extra space appear. Now, here's a fun little hack. Wear your heaviest clothes on the plane. That big hoodie, those boots, the jacket you might need. Wear them. Airlines don't weigh you, just your bag. You'll free up space and stay cozy in that chilly airplane cabin. Speaking of flights, here's a serious money-saving trick. Use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner, Google Flights, or Hopper, but always search in incognito mode. Airlines track your searches with cookies and can jack up prices if they know you're looking. Go private, clear your cache, or even better, use a VPN and switch your location to find better deals. Another tip most people overlook? Book flights midweek, and fly midweek if you can. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are often the cheapest days to fly, both domestically and internationally. And if you're really flexible, set up fare alerts to catch flash sales and mistake fares. Sometimes you can snag a round-trip ticket to Europe for less than a weekend getaway. Once you've landed, don't waste your precious data. Download offline maps on Google Maps before you go. Just search the city or region, hit download, and boom, you're never lost, even with no signal. While you're at it, download the local language in Google Translate, too. It's not just for menus. It can read signs, help you ask directions, and even translate in real time during conversations. Let's talk accommodation. Hotels are great, but there's a world of options out there. Try booking Airbnbs, hostels, or even homestays for a more authentic experience. Want something super budget-friendly? Look into Couchsurfing or trusted house-sitting websites. Not only do you save money, you also meet locals and get a deeper cultural connection. Now for some ninja-level stuff. Email yourself a copy of your passport, visas, and travel insurance. That way, if your stuff gets lost or stolen, you've still got digital access. Bonus points if you upload it to cloud storage too. And speaking of safety, always carry a fake wallet with a few expired cards and small bills in case you're ever in a sticky situation. Next up, charge everything with a travel adapter that has USB port, and always pack a power bank. Many older hotels only have 1 or 2 outlets, and you don't want to be fighting over a plug when your phone's at 3%. Also, this one's underrated, bring a small extension cord or power strip. You'll be the hero of the hostel or the hotel room with limited outlets. Let's talk tech. Your phone is a Swiss Army knife if you know how to use it. Download apps like Z Currency for quick conversions, Roam2 Rio for figuring out transport routes, and TrailWallet or Splitwise to keep track of expenses. And don't underestimate the magic of WhatsApp, especially for international communication. Many local businesses and tour operators prefer it over email. Here's a weird but genius hack. Bring a microfiber towel. It's light, dries fast, and works for everything: beach days, hostel showers, impromptu picnics, or even as a pillow on long bus rides. While we're at it, throw in a reusable water bottle with a built-in filter. Saves you money, reduces plastic waste, and keeps you hydrated wherever you roam. Want to avoid jet lag? Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your flight, stay hydrated, and, controversial tip here, don't nap when you arrive. Push through until local bedtime to reset your internal clock faster. And if you're really struggling, melatonin can help ease the transition. If you're doing long-term travel, get friendly with local SIM cards or international eSIMs like Airalo. They're usually way cheaper than roaming, and a few bucks of data can save your whole trip. Plus, you'll be able to order ride shares, check maps, or look up that one amazing taco stand you forgot the name of. And hey, let's not forget about airport hacks. Always bring an empty water bottle to refill after security, and pack snacks unless you want to pay $12 for a granola bar. If you want extra comfort, use lounge access apps like Priority Pass or even certain credit cards that offer lounge perks. Free food, fast Wi-Fi, and peace? Worth it. Traveling solo? Here's a confidence booster. Take a photo of your accommodation and its address in case your phone dies. Also, learn a few emergency phrases in the local language, and always let someone know your plans for the day. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Lastly, remember this: the best travel hack is flexibility. Things will go wrong. Trains get cancelled, weather changes, restaurants are closed on Tuesdays for some reason. Roll with it. Sometimes, the detours lead to the most unexpected and unforgettable moments. Travel doesn't have to be expensive, stressful, or complicated. With a little planning, some clever tools, and a relaxed attitude, you can explore the world smarter, cheaper, and with way more ease. These aren't just travel hacks, they're the keys to unlocking the adventure of your dreams. If you found a hack here that made you go, "Whoa, I need that in my life," go ahead and smash that like button. Got a genius travel trick of your own? Drop it in the comments and help fellow explorers out, because sharing is caring, especially when it comes to saving time, money, and sanity. And if you want more travel guides, packing tips, and destination inspo, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a journey. Until next time, happy travel.